Hello viewers, welcome to the Standard 10 subject science. In our previous video, we have started the chapter number 1 chemical reactions and equations. In this chapter, we have started the types of chemical reaction, and in that types we have learned two types of chemical reactions, and which are the combination reaction and the decomposition reaction. Today we are going to continue that topic, which is types of chemical reactions, and in that we are going to start the third type of the chemical reaction, and which is displacement reaction. So let us start of understanding which what is displacement reaction with the activity number 1.9 named in your textbook. So let us begin with the activity 1.9. Here is the figure for the activity 1.9, and its name is iron nails dipped in copper sulfate solution. So first of all, what are the things that we need for this activity? So we need test tube, then thread, copper sulfate solution, the iron nail, and the stand. These things are needed. Now let us understand the process of this activity of displacement reaction. So first of all, let us take three iron nails and clean them by rubbing with the sandpaper. First of all, we'll take iron nails and we'll clean it by rubbing on the sandpaper. Now take two test tubes marked as A and B. We'll take two test tubes and we will mark A and B. In each test tube, take about 10 ml copper sulfate solution. So in the test tube, we'll take 10 ml of copper sulfate solution. Tie two iron nails with a thread and immerse them carefully in the copper sulfate solution in test tube B for about 20 minutes, which is shown in this figure. Keep one iron nail aside for comparison. So we will take three iron nails. We will take aside a one iron nail, and we will immerse two iron nails in the copper sulfate solution with the help of the thread. For how many minutes? For 20 minutes in the test tube B. After 20 minutes, take out the iron nails from the copper sulfate solution. Compare the intensity of the blue color of copper sulfate solutions in test tubes A, and also compare the color of the iron nails dipped in the copper sulfate solutions with the one kept aside. So here we have to observe the color of the copper sulfate solution and the iron nails. So let us understand what are the result. Here we are comparing the color of the iron nails. So this is iron nail, and this is iron nail taken out from the copper sulfate solution after 20 minutes. So you can see the difference between two iron nails, which is of the color. Now here we are comparing the intensity of the blue color of copper sulfate solution in test tube. Copper sulfate solution A in the test tube A, and here in the test tube B, the reaction mixture. So here is the original copper sulfate solution, and here is the solution after the reaction to the iron nail. So can you observe the color of the solution of the copper sulfate after the reaction? So why does the iron nail become brownish in color and the blue color of copper sulfate solution fades? You can see the iron nail becomes the brownish color, and the blue color so copper sulfate solution it fades. Do you know the reason? The following chemical reaction takes place in this activity. So let us see the reaction. Here the iron nail, it means Fe plus CuSO4, the copper sulfate, it gives FeSO4 plus Cu, because we have the copper sulfate solution and we are getting the iron sulfate solution, and which fades, and also we are getting the copper. So in this reaction, iron has displaced or removed other element copper from copper sulfate solution. Iron has displaced or removed the another element, which is copper, from the copper sulfate solution, and this reaction is known as the displacement reaction. Now let us see the other example of displacement reactions. and which are zinc plus copper sulfate, that gives zinc sulfate plus copper. It means Zn plus CuSO4, it gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. Now let's see the second example. Pb, it means lead. Lead plus CuCl2, it means copper chloride. It gives lead chloride plus copper. Symbolically, Pb plus CuCl2, that gives PbCl2 plus Cu. So these are the another example for the displacement reaction. Zinc and lead are more reactive elements than copper. They displace copper from its compounds. So you can see that zinc and lead are the more reactive elements than copper. Therefore, in this video, we have learned the displacement reaction by an activity and also have seen other examples of displacement reaction. Thank you.